Under the blazing sun in southern Portugal, Ed Conway descends into Europe's deepest mine, Cabo Mine, where 2,200 feet beneath the surface, iron ore is hewn from ancient rock. It's a strange mix of raw earth and high technology, the beginning of the story that built our modern world and now threatens to remake it. But have you ever stopped to wonder where all that metal, sand, salt, oil, and lithium actually come from, and why they control not just industry but global power? Sand seems endless, right? But Conway reveals it's one of the world's most plundered resources, and without it, our cities would simply collapse. In Dubai, the city famously built on desert sand is facing a crisis. Their beaches are literally vanishing, eroded by time and sea traffic. Conway describes how the sand used for those iconic skyscrapers can't just be desert sand. The grains are wrong. This isn't just erosion, it's a warning sign about the fragility of one of Earth's most vital materials. Not all sand is created equal. Imagine grains as tiny puzzle pieces. River sand is smooth, great for glass and concrete, whereas desert sand's rounded grains just don't lock in place, crumbling like cookie crumbs. This simple shape difference governs the entire building industry and explains why some regions literally export their foundations, selling sand like gold. The scarcity of suitable sand is driving a new kind of geopolitics. Countries with rare desert-adjacent rivers or unique shorelines have newfound leverage. Just like oil defined power in the 20th century, sand is becoming a quiet but fierce battleground, shifting economic and political alliances beneath our feet. Lithium's the talking point of climate change. But behind your phone battery is a wild, green mining story few know, full of strange pools and fierce race for control. Conway takes us to Chile's Atacama Desert, home to lithium brine pools so strikingly green they look almost alien. These toxic pools are more than scenic. They're at the heart of the lithium boom powering electric cars and phones worldwide. But this beauty hides fragile ecosystems and social tensions beneath the surface. Getting lithium isn't about digging a hole. Instead, miners pump salty water from beneath the desert, then wait months for the lithium to concentrate as water evaporates. Think of it as slow-motion chemical alchemy powered by sun and wind, transforming swampy brine into shiny metal, a process as delicate as it is vital. As demand explodes, lithium is shaping new fault lines. Countries rich in this green gold wield unprecedented power, sparking diplomatic battles and new supply chain vulnerabilities. Conway warns this scramble could trigger conflicts as intense as any oil wars of the past century. We think of iron and oil as yesterday's story, but Conway flips the script. These giants still rule the game, especially now as we pivot to a new energy world. Deep in Portugal's Cabo Mine, Conway watches miners haul tons of iron ore from hidden veins. This iron built empires, from Roman roads to today's skyscrapers. Yet the story is gritty and human, miners risking everything underground, reminding us that civilization's glory rides on unglamorous, stubborn labor. Oil pipelines snake across continents like lifelines and landmines. Conway describes the battle over these routes, where a pipeline's path can shift alliances, spark wars, or topple governments. It's classic geopolitical chess, where oil isn't just fuel but a weapon, leverage, and lifeblood. Despite the frantic rush for lithium and renewables, iron and oil remain central to climate warfares, pollution battles, economic vetoes, and energy markets. Conway reveals these materials won't just fade away, but will keep shaping environmental futures, for better or worse. Back in that Portuguese mine's stifling depths, it's clear. Our modern marvels aren't magic, they're made from sand, salt, iron, oil, lithium, each with stories deeper than we imagine. Next time you swipe your phone or step on concrete, pause. Try tracing your stuff's tangled journey underground and across continents. It changes how you see the world, raw, real, and reshaped by our relentless appetite. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.